The last problem in the notes is a word problem. It was problem 2, but I just saved it until the end. A music store offers piano lessons at a discount for customers buying new pianos. The cost for lessons and a one-time fee of materials, which includes music books, CDs, software, and everything else, are shown in the advertisement to the right. What is the cost of each lesson and the one-time fee for materials? So what they're saying is you're going to get this promotion as long as you buy a piano from them. Take a look at the sign. If you choose to sign up for 6 lessons, they're going to charge you $300, and if you sign up for 12 lessons, they're going to charge you $480. Remember that it talks about this one-time fee. So both of these are already including the one-time fee. And that one-time fee covers things like books that you need to buy, CDs that you need to listen to. And then on top of this, inside of this $300, on top of the one-time fee is also the lessons. So this $300 reflects the one-time fee and the 6 lessons. This $480 reflects the one-time fee and the 12 lessons. So you have to think about your variable. Well, we have 2 things happening. We have the lessons. We don't know how much those cost, so let's call them L. And we have that one-time fee for the materials. Let's call that F. Now let's think about what 300 actually equals. 300 is the price for each lesson plus the one-time fee. So the price for each lesson will be our L. Maybe we need to write price here. Now how many lessons? In this case, 6 lessons costing L amount of dollars for lessons plus the one-time fee. 480 equals almost the same thing. The only difference is that now you have 12 lessons and the one-time fee. You can solve this by graphing it, but it would be kind of crazy. Or you can solve it by substitution, which will be fine, or by linear combination. I see that these line themselves up for linear combination, and linear combination is my favorite when they can line up well. So I'm just going to multiply the top one by a -1. By multiplying it by a -1, I'm going to get a negative f here, which is going to cancel with this positive f. I will write my answer below, right here. I'm going to kind of cross this off so you can see where it kind of changes. -1 times 300 is -300. Just for an FYI, if students miss something, they sometimes forget to multiply both sides by the -1. 6L times -1 is -6L, and F times -1 is -1F, or just -F. Add those vertically. 480 minus 300 is 180. 12 minus 6 is 6L, and the F cancels out. Now we can divide each side by 6, and L is 30. Read the question to see how far we have to go. What is the cost of each lesson? Well, we figured that out. We can put a $sign there. And what is the one-time fee? We haven't figured that out. To figure out what the one-time fee is, you can plug L back into one of your 2 original equations. The 2 I'm putting the star by right now. I'm going to put it into the top just because they have smaller numbers to deal with. 300 equals 6 times 30 plus F. Multiply. 300 equals 180 plus F. And then F equals 120. To show that you understand what this means, make a therefore statement. Therefore, price of each lesson is $30, and the one-time fee is $120. If you wanted to see if that was correct, test it out with the poster. 6 times 30 is 180, plus 120 is 300. 12 times 30 is 360, plus 120 is 480. You now know that you solved for both of them correctly.